Y'all, we have snow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look. It's snowing inside. Oh my gosh. The dog is ready to go outside. Look at the snow build up. Go ahead, Dom. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And it's just blowing in still. Look how much snow. Look at that. A whole frosty. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Let me close the door. It's just blowing from that way. Mercy. Anyway, that's the snow. Everything is covered in snow, and it's some thick snow. Look at this. People are gonna be making snowmen. Domino making snow tracks this morning. Oh my goodness. Everything is covered in snow. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look how much snow is on. All right. I'll bring y'all when it gets daylight. Your face full of snow. You like that, huh? Looking like a little beard on you. You got a track everywhere I done walked. Well, you got Snow Boy out there. Come on back here, Lele. Come on, Domino. They said the blizzard of 2025.
Take my picture first. Chilling with the sun.
Okay.
You see my shirt good?
Yep. Be careful.
I'll fall down up in there. Hello. Where them babies at? Oh, there y'all. This is the most we've ever had.
Hush.
For years we've had snow. Our baby a snowman, her hat fell off out here. Here's her hand. What I was trying to get her. I want to sit out here.
Put it out there then.
Bring her hat where you please. I'm gonna sit on top of this trash can.
Mm.
Yeah.
Why you want me to come out there? I wasn't coming out in the snow.
No, you just coming right there. Pick her up so she don't fall. Watch your camera.
My camera fine. I don't want to be.
Make a huge one on the porch.
Oh, my hands are
Your
cold.
hands are cold. Wear your gloves.
Well, I wasn't coming out here. You can keep all this. Ugh. Y'all, look at my mama out here like a little kid. Hush. Domino wants to get out there so bad. She out here building a snowman. She'll be 72 next month. Stop, Domino. He been enjoying playing out there. She talking with her snow person. Y'all, this is crazy. My mom was like, we have never had snow like this. And she would know because she's been here 71 years. Oh my goodness. The blizzard of 2025. And you see where I'm at? I'm inside. It is not, no, I don't think it's fun at all. I do not think it's fun. I don't want to be out there. Yeah. I mean, the birds are enjoying it. And I mean, it's just dry snow. It's not wet or sleet or anything in it. He wants to be out there so bad. Huh?
Take a picture when I get over here by the don't stop.
Okay. Look at the snow, y'all. How deep it is. She want another picture. That makes me go out there. That's the thing. I am not want to be out here, y'all. I'm not want to be out here. And the snow is hitting me in my face. Okay. I can't see you unless I be out there closer to you, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look how thick this stuff is. They playing snowball fight next door. My mama want to go play with them.
Fight on.
No. Y'all, and keep that out there. Ugh. No, thank you. I mean, it's like a blizzardy snow stuff. Look at this. She enjoying it. I can't, because Arthur is hurting right now. My back, my legs. Look, my mama is so wanting to get over there to do a snowball. She getting over there. Oh my goodness, look at her. She's like, I'm gonna pick one up and throw it. Look, she better not come throw one in here. I have to close outside. I would have to close her outdoors. She not come throw no snow at me. Domino, hush, sir. You're not going out there. You done played already. I might as well send him out there. She ain't want to come. My mama don't want to come in. You gonna go jump out there? For Granny can throw the snow at you. She need an object to throw. Yeah.
Now, video. Turn it on video right quick.
Turn it on video.
Because I can't come out there and go to the store. Come on, I don't have enough diamonds.
Domino enjoying it out there.
Come that way. Oh, your granny. Got enough on.
My mom is wanting me to participate in this snow games. I don't want to do this snow stuff. This out there. Oh, she done brung the snow in the house. Talking about, here's your snowman. Let me turn y'all around. I should have stayed over there in Fort Worth because my mama, y'all. I can put some fruit juice on here and just eat it. Talking about, here's your raisins. And here's your glove, soft cloth gloves. I need latex gloves. I have some latex gloves on. I don't even know if to put on these on top of these, whatever. Let me not complain, whatever. Whatever. So, it needs some kind of mold or something. I just... I'm gonna do the cheating way. I'm gonna fill these molds up with this snow. Let's see how many bowls I need. Here's one bowl. 2, 4 bowls. Make the body of each one of these. This is a mess. Okay, second bowl. Now, if this was sand on the beach, I'd be all into it. Beach sand, not this North Pole in. No, no. So, another bowl. Y'all, who play with snow in the house? Who plays with snow in the house? Okay, now I'm smushing these down. Oops. Turn y'all this way. Y'all can see what's going on. We're gonna smush these down. I'm guessing it's the same as you would do for snow, if I was making a sand thing, whatever, or whatever. Okay, now I guess I need to stack these. Take some of this snow. I guess I need to have some kind of way to make it stay there. Okay. There's that. Now, now, because that would be the base. I got y'all too close. Let's see. Scooch back some. That would be the base. And then second bowl. Put that one on top of there. in this bowl. I think the bottom's supposed to be bigger. I don't know. I'll fill it in with the gaps in with some snow. Oh, I'm gonna need another bowl of snow. Cause I mean, they gotta have 3 pieces, right? So there. Top of there. Y'all, building snowmen in the kitchen. I ain't even got the light on in here. Whoop, don't let this thing fall. Get another bowl of snow. Pack that in. Like it's leaning. Hope she ain't leaning. Oh, it does look like it's leaning though. Okay, so then I need to just fill in some spots. Don't get me to try figuring this thing out. This snowman gonna have a lumpy looking head. Okay. Oh, I feel like it's leaning. Oh. Okay. It is leaning. And I feel like it is leaning. It is leaning, y'all. Leaning. This got some hairs. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the front part. Like this can be the front. No worries about the back. We're just gonna talk about the front. Okay, this will be the front of the snowman. I could be eating these raisins. Want to something put them on this. Oh no, these raisins look old and decrepit looking. So no, I do not want to eat them. Well, that eye went way in now. Okay. Oh. His chest don't want to hold it. Hold this. There you go. Had to wet it. Had to wet it. To make it stick to it. Nope. Did not want to stick. That one didn't either. Oh. Okay. Y'all, Frosty head came off. My bad, Frosty. My bad, Frosty. Your buttons all came off. Alright guys, here is whoever. Y'all give me a name. What she look like. I put her a little bandana on because you know it's kind of cold out there. She about to go outside. So, what you think her name should be? I ain't give her no expression. Yeah, she ain't having no expression, okay? So, yeah, I did the snowman in the house. Yay. Okay. I participated. Now, my mom probably take it outside, or I probably have to look at her nose trying to fall off. Girl, your nose trying to fall off. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah. See y'all in the next video.